Over the last more than a decade, Poland has experienced a significant economic growth, increase in income and quality of life, and been on a steady path of catching up to the wealthier countries in Europe. Its GDP per capita has gone from about 40% to about 60% of the EU average.
You're much more affluent on average now than you were 10 years ago because you've been catching up, and the rest of the world hasn't exactly been staying still, even if it hasn't done a great deal better. You've been improving the quality of your workforce. In particular, young people are much better educated than the older generations, and they bring more skills. You've been able to take advantage of joining the EU and therefore having a much bigger export markets, but also the basic macroeconomic framework has been put in place and has been functioning fairly well. Inflation is no longer a problem. People are able to work with a fairly stable price level, and as a result, interest rates have on average come down, and that's allowed investment to take place in a climate of greater certainty. And unemployment to be on a slight downward slope. Your biggest challenge as a country will soon be clear, that it will be finding enough labor because your fertility rate has been low for so long that the younger cohorts entering the working age population are already now smaller than the number of people retiring at the far end of the age distribution.
If we merely extrapolate and assume that Poland continues to grow at a similar pace, it will take Poles about 25 years to reach the EU average per capita.